Hey everyone, this will be the last video in the series. So we're going to look at how to create the launcher icons, the native splash screen, deploy it to web, and then run it on different devices. Now another thing we need to add is we need to wrap this container with a flexible widget. That way, if the screen size is smaller than the maximum size of the chat bubble, we won't get any errors. So we need to copy these two commands. First one is for generating the launcher icons. So we'll open the terminal here and then run this. And then in the meantime, let's copy the other command. So this one is for the native splash screen. Copy this and then paste it. Now once that's done, let's create the web build. So we're going to say flutter build web. Once that's done, we can cd into the build folder. So we can say cd build/web. And then we can run search. Now once that's done, we can check the URL. And then we have it working on web. So here I'm going to quickly create an account and let's see what it looks. So I created an account and signed in. And as you can see here, since we're not the ones that sent the message, it appears in light gray and it's aligned on the left hand side. So here we're going to type something, hello, and then you can see it appear in real time on both screens. And here you can say, hey, what's up? Cool. Now let's also try running this on Android. So at the bottom here, we're going to start the Pixel emulator. So now we have the app running on Android as well. So let's just minimize this and move this down. And here I already created an account. So I can say something. Hey guys. Then now you can see it appear on all screens. I don't know. So this brings us to the end of this series. Thank you everyone for watching. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks again.